Alright, today's video is about a new Zippo just arrived. Now this in my collection is number 664, I believe. So it came in the normal Zippo black box, and it's labeled Sugar Skull Design. And you can see it's made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. Nothing special about the insert, just a normal box. So there is the Sugar Skull. It's got a nice white background. It's on a brass case made in, let's see, January of 23. It's white all over. Now this one came with a plain steel insert. I decided to put the brass colored insert in this one. It looks a little bit better, so it lights up nice. Got a really good sound. I have quite a few of these skull Zippos. Zippo company seems to like making skulls. Here's a couple of them. That's a nice one. That was made in 2013. This is a pretty nice one. And let's see, that was made in, looks like 2014. So that is the Sugar Skull. Let's do a drop test, a lit drop test. So this Sugar Skull passes the lit drop test nicely. And it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.